craving, the thirst and the hunger is not there anymore. Anybody ever been there before?
Amen.
If you don't feel like that's something wrong with you, if you don't feel like that, well then something ain't happening in you spiritually, or you're not opening up to God like God would desire for you to. Amen. If you're still doing the same things that you used to do, well then that's some more growing that you got to do. There's some more growing inside of you.
Amen.
God's not here to beat you down or to punish you, but he's saying there is some more growing on the inside. Throw your hands up and say, Lord, grow me up, grow me up.
Lord, grow me up.
And so now why are you not doing that? Well, your spirit wasn't doing it. It was the old nature. That old nature is shifting. It's shifting morally. Because I told you on the other night, amen, what God, he can't do no more to your spirit because your spirit is healed. He just gave you a certain dimension of his spirit. He cannot renew himself. He can't do it because he's God. But what he do, amen, he does something on the inside of you morally. Okay? Now, if he's doing some stuff on the inside of you morally, well then that means that, amen, that God is working on you from the inside out. From the inside out. So now, amen, I'm not living from the outside in. That's what's shifting. That's what's changing. That's the changing process. Is that I'm not living from the outside in anymore. So now, amen, when I go around those things, amen, I want to participate in those things or see those things, amen, because I'm living from the inside out, those desires are not there. Are you understanding how important it is, amen, that God change your soul, that God do a soul shifting inside of you?
Amen.
That is so important. See, I can be around sin and not sin. I could be around a person that's doing something sinful, but I don't have a desire to do that. And anytime those desires are leaving you, well then that means that God is growing you. Don't run back and do those things if you know God is taking it away from you.
Amen.
Move and flow with the Spirit of God that's making the change.
Yes.
Because he's changing you, somebody say, morally.
Morally.
He's changing you morally. So our soul and our body take on the same image as your regenerated spirit. Now, when God regenerates your spirit, I got to get out of here. This thing really getting good now. Amen. When God regenerates your spirit, the same existence or the same regeneration that you feel internally, you'll start feeling it externally. I know when God is changing me inside, amen, or should I say this? I know when God is changing me externally because I feel it internally. That's what I'm pulling from.
Yes.
That's where my strength is coming from.
Amen.
How many of y'all ever been around people and you used to do what they do?
Yes.
Okay, see, y'all don't want to be honest.
Come on, Bishop.
How many of y'all ever been around people and you, at one time, you